Imagine someone lost in a dark forest, overcome by confusion, fear, and uncertainty, wandering aimlessly, unaware of the path that leads to safety. This may have been wrong choices that brought about this situation, decisions made from hurt, loneliness, or misguided priorities. Or perhaps it was betrayal, failure, or disappointment that forced a retreat into the wilderness, a deliberate attempt to be detached from others and God. That lost person could be us. But then the voice of the shepherd calls. It is not a voice of condemnation, but one of the compassion. Jesus seeks us where we are broken, lifting us from the depths of despair. He leads us to a place of safety, rest, and peace. Through grace, He restores our soul. When humanity was lost and broken, God did not wait for it to find its way back. He sacrificed His Son on the cross to redeem us, proving He loves us unconditionally despite our messiness and sin. The Sacred Heart of Jesus, even though pierced by our sins, constantly seeks out, offering healing, refuge, and unlimited grace. Indeed, He goes after the one that is lost until He finds it.